Well, hello, wonderful band. We're working on the song Dream, Love, Live and in the key of E. Alright, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's the beat now. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. You've got to dream like nothing can stop you. Love, love, love like you've never been hurt. You've got to live like there's no tomorrow. It's got to come from your heart if you want it to work. So sing like you don't need the money. Play and get into that dirt. You've got to dance, 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 dance like nobody's watching. It's got to come from your heart if you want it to work. You've got to dream like nothing can stop you. Love, love, love like you've never been hurt. You've got to live like there's no tomorrow. It's got to come from your heart if you want it to work. So sing like you don't need the money. Play and get into that dirt. You got to dance, 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 dance like nobody's watching. It's got to come from your heart if you want it to work. Dream, love, live, dream, love, live, sing, play, dance, dream, love, live, sing, play, dance. Yeah, dream, love, live, sing, play, dance. It's got to come from your heart if you want it to work. Come from your heart if you want it to work. Now, the next step in the song for ukulele is to learn the ukulele chords and then to start putting it together. So the chords we're using are, and the chords of course we'll put over here, somewhere around there. Here we go. We're using the E chord, and we're using the A chord. We're using the B chord, mostly. At the very end we use the C sharp minor chord, which is, you see on the 4th fret, just like the E is on the 4th fret, the C sharp minor is also on the 4th fret. And just like it looks like that. Let's see if I can make sure you can see it nice and clearly. La la. There we go. Okay. So the beginning has that instrumental part. Now let's just go over how that goes. It's just from the top note to the bottom note with that particular beat. Da 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 da. And then we do actually the same beat over at the A chord. Back to the E chord. I'll run that let's run that 4 or 5 times. Very good. Do it again. One more time. You may have noticed I made a mistake too. Before we start working on the rhythm, I'm just giving you a suggestion of a rhythm to use. Of course, you as the artist can change anything that you like, just like I've changed so much myself. Well, the next thing that we're working on is the strum pattern for the song. Now, it sounds like this up to speed. So it's broken down in 2 parts. The right hand is just doing the up and down with soft ones and loud ones like this. And let's just do that a lot slower. Here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. You almost got it? Okay. And just loop that more if you need. Now let's put with the left hand is going to be doing things where I have my chord, and then I'll press down on the chord to make it either sounded or muted. It looks like this. Let me make sure I'm holding it properly. It might look like something like that. So for this song we have so let's break that down to its smaller parts. Are you ready? Here we go. Here we go. And I'll do it again from the top of that. Here we go. You've got to dream like nothing can stop you. Love, love, love like you've never been hurt. You've got to live like there's no tomorrow. It's got to come from your heart if you want it to work. Very good. I'm going to run that one more time, even slower. You've got to dream like nothing can stop you. Love, love, love like you've never been hurt. You've got to live like there's no tomorrow. It's got to come from your heart if you want it to work. So sing like you don't need the money. Play and get into that dirt. You've got to dance, 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 dance like nobody's watching. It's got to come from your heart if you want it to work. Instrumental. Second verse, second time through. You've got to dream, and this one more progressive. Like nothing can stop you. Love, love, love like you've never been hurt. You got to live like there's no tomorrow. It's got to come from your heart if you want it to work. So sing like you don't need the money. Play and get into that dirt. You got to dance, 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 dance like nobody's watching. It's got to come from your heart if you want it to work. Dream, love, live, sing, play, dance, dream, love, live, sing, play, dance, yeah, dream, love, live, sing, play, dance. It's got to come from your heart if you want it to work. Come from your heart if you want it to work. Good job. Saw a couple mistakes that I did. This is not always easy. But you get the hang of it, I'm sure. You'll probably surpass me. Good work.